In this video, I will show you how to create single page template in Elementor. Let's get started. So from in here, click on this add new page on the pages part of your website. And then it will ask you what kind of page you want to use or you want to actually add. So here it is right here. For now, let's click on this blank page. And now let's click on this edit with Elementor. And now as you can see, this will load in here as well. And now in here is our Elementor. So you can actually see that we have now our name, which is called Elementor 357. So we can actually name it whatever we want. So in this case, you can also click on this Elements Kit. I've already installed it on my plugin. So here is Elements Kit right here. So head over and then just install Elements Kit right here. Once you have installed it, you will have this option. So click on this Add Elements Kit template. And now in here, it will show the templates that they have. So click on the sections right here. Or you can also click on templates that they have as well. You can also choose the category that they have in here as well. So you just choose which one actually resonates with you. You also choose templates in here as well, or pages that you can choose from. So they have in here some templates that you can use. So it totally depends on you which ones you want to use for this example. So I'll head over to my sections and I'll just head over and then use some sections that I can add for this case. So in here, I'll search for the feed or the image feed or the icon box that they call, or also video gallery. So it totally depends on you which one you want to use for this case. So for me, I'll head over and then just choose one. And then on the categories that they have, you can choose which categories you want to add. For example, for me, I'll add this one. Click on this insert. Then as you can see, this will load for a while in order to add a template that we have just created. So you can change in here the text as well as the things that they have, or also the styles, which you can choose the colors that you want to present to them as well. So you can choose which one is the one for you. And once you're done with that, you can see in here this option for save option. Now we can see in here the save as template. So click on this right here and then let's name it as single page. Then from in there, click on this save. And then once you have done that, this will be saved as a single page template. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.